Hi, my name is Miguel Lopez de Leon, and I'm the author of several young adult, middle grade, and dark fantasy books. And today I wanted to talk about my experience having a booth at the 2019 LA Times Festival of Books. So it's pretty exciting. I have a booth at the 2019 LA Times Festival of Books, and I just wanted to share my experience with it and preparing for it, and actually on the festival days itself. Today I thought I'd show you some of the fun stuff that I've got for my booth, things like posters and banners. I can't wait for the festival itself. This is the tablecloth I got for my booth. These are some posters that I had made. Here is the banner I had made. It is a lot bigger than I thought, but hopefully that will fit in the booth. So the festival is all done. I'm still wearing my It Took Billy booth t-shirt, and it's done. It went by so fast. It was awesome. It was really fun and was a great experience. I would totally do this again. Sold so many books. I couldn't recommend this more. Met a lot of old readers, which was just so nice. As an author, that's so nice for me to be able to meet readers that have been reading my books for years, and also to meet new readers who were excited about the booth and the books. As an author and as someone in the publishing industry, I couldn't have asked for a better experience. It was fun, it was exciting, and it was so nice, not only just for my booth, but also as a fan. It was so nice to see all the other booths and all the other authors who were there, to see what everyone else was doing with, their products and their merchandise, to see how they conducted themselves in terms of their companies and their business as an exhibitor and as a reader and as a fellow fan of a ton of other authors. This was such a great event. Thank you so much, LA Times Festival of Books. What a great, fun, positive experience. Thank you.